Baik, Assalamualaikum. Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Kutar Ramadan. I am from Group E6, the History of Islamic Civilian Cross, which will present material with the title Three Great Kingdom of Islam. Three Great Kingdom of Islam, the period of the three great empires, the Ottoman Turks, Safawi, and Mughal dynasties was an important period in the history of the Islamic war between the 15th and 18th centuries. Thus, their dynasty were influenced in politics, culture, art, and science. The Ottoman Turks controlled vast territory in Europe, Asia, and Africa, and were renowned for their cultural integration and political stability. The Safavid dynasty in Persia or Iran in the 6th century introduced the Shia school and development cultural center such as Isfahan. The Mughal dynasty in India, which ruled from the 16th to 19th centuries, create, created a rich civilization with a politic of religion, tolerance, and artistic advance, including in the construction of the Taj Mahal. Thus, their dynasty played an important role in shaping the geopolitics, economy, and culture of their region. Next, okay. And the dynasty N1, first dynasty, is dynasty Turki Usmani. The current republic of the is a secular state that stem from the legacy of the Ottoman Turkish Empire. The history of this empire dates from 1481 to 1924. The Turks from the King Akhad tribe originally standing in Mongol and northern Science, led by Sulaiman Shah. They moved to Turkestan, then to Persia and Iraq due to the Mongol invasion led by Genghis Khan. After traveling, they reached the banks of the Euphrates River and met the Mongol and Seljuk Turks force and war. The Seljuk Turks won thanks to the help of Ortogol. As a reward for this victory, Alauddin granted them the territory of Iskishar near Busra, which became the beginning of the Ottoman Turkey Empire. Next, the glory period of Ottoman Turkey. During the peak of Ottoman Turkey glory, there were two sultans, namely, and the first sultan, and the one Sultan Muhammad II, from 1000 1451 to 140 for 1484 with the title Al-Fatih the Conqueror. He was able to defeat the Byzantine and conquer Constantinople, which had been planned by Sultan Bayezid. And two, Sultan Sulaiman and Kauni from 1000 from 1005 520 to 1566 at under Ottoman Turkish rule. His territory included the Nile, the Nile, Valley in HP, the Furat River Valley, and Gibraltar. This Ottoman Sultan compiled laws and regulations to create order and security for people from various groups. He earned the title Solomon the Magnificent or Solomon the Great because of the wisdom and splendor of his reign. Next, the Britain of Tislin. The Tislin and destruction of the Ottoman Turks Empire began after the death of Sultan Sulaiman Al-Qauni in 1566. His cousins such as Salim II, Murad III, and subsequent Sultan failed to maintain the glory of the empire. The collapse of the Caliphate was influenced by the interference of colonials, as listen the British. Compared with Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, through the Sykes-Picot Agreement, Turkish territory was divided up with British taking Palestine. On March 3, 1924, Atatürk's official opposite the caliphate and replaced it in with a republican system. As a result, Muslim no longer Palestine is holistically in life, and the risk of nationalism led to the formation of nation states. Next, achievement of the Ottoman Turkish Empire. A first military fight. Military fight is a period of formidable military force and land, sea, and air. Into used gunpowder weapon was faster than their enemies in Europe and the Middle East. And three, building specialists in central and permanent force controlling the making and handling of our AP weapons. Next to science and culture. Science culture is from Persia culture. They took many ethical teaching and manner in the place of kings, and two from the Arabs obtained teaching of economy, social and social principes, science, and later. Next, the three the the three the, the three the three pilot regulation. And one, the teaching system in Ottoman Turkey emphasized memorization texts such as the Al-Jurumiyah text, the Takrib text, the Alfiya text, and the Sultan text. After memorizing, student studying and commentaries. During the Ottoman period, Arabic became the legal language. Turkey as a whole did not follow in the western of the civilization. Next, okay, the dynasty in next dynasty is Safavid dynasty. The history of the Safavid Empire and dynasty began with the Safavid order founded by Safi ad-Din from 1 to 1000 200 205 56 53 to 1300 334 in Azerbaijan. The order grew rapidly and gained many followers, including when it was led by Sadr al-Din Musa. However, in the mid 15th century, under the leadership of Sheikh Junaidi, Sadr al-Din Musa's great grandson, the order became more militant and began to expand in political and military influence. The Safavid movement moved into Iranian territory, captured captured in from the Timurid dynasty and capitalized of the decline of the Timurids that led to the division of Iran. In the midst of this variation, Shia regulation moved were born, with the Safawi Kijibels being one of the strongest. So Ismail is the leader of this movement founded the Safavid Empire in 1501 and became the first king and founder of the Safavid dynasty. Next, Kingdom period. Kingdom period. Kingdom period. Uh, in the first Sultan Ismail one, and the next Tasma one, Ismail two, Muhammad Khattab Banta, Abbas one, Safi Mirzan, Abbas two, Sulaiman Hussein Tasman two, and Abbas three. Next, the Crown period. The Safavid Empire reached its peaks during the reign of Abbas I from 1587 to 1629, who managed to overcome domestic political turmoil and seize a number of territory. At its peak, encountered what is no Iran, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Armenia, its Kyrgyz, part of the North Caucasus, including Russia, et al. Progress was also made in the economic sphere with control of the Hormuz Island and the port of Gumurd, which was transformed into Bandar Abbas, making the seventh master of trade between the West and the East, and abundant agriculture sector also supported the kingdom's economy. In the field of science, several prominent scientists emerged, such as Baha al-Din As-Sayroji, Sadar al-Din As-Sayroji, and Muhammad al-Bakir in Muhammad Damad. In addition, architectural progress was marked by the construction of magnificent buildings, including mosque, school, hospital, and other public facilities. The period of decline. The decline of the Safawi Empire was fell after Abbas I abdicated the throne in 1628. The leader of him paid little attention to the progress of the government and its people. In addition, in upheaval between the Shia and Sunni Islamic groups also caused and kingdom to decline. Then in one 1722, there was a rebellion of Afghans led by Mir Mahmud, what succession in occupying the capital city of Isfahan in one in 1000 in 1700 to 2029. Tahmasp II captured the place of Isfahan with the help of General Nadir of the Qajar tribe in Russia and restored the kingdom. However, on March X X one X 1000 from 1736, King Abbas III finally stepped down, marking the demise of the Safavid Empire. The next, the next, and the next dynasty, dynasty in dynasty three, yeah, is dynasty Mughal. The Mughal dynasty was the youngest of their great Islamic empire. The Mughal dynasty was founded by Jainuddin Babur from 1482 to 1538. The Mongol dynasty began with Babur's ambition to conquer the city of Samarkand. At first, he suffered defeat, but because he received help from the Safavid king, Ismail I finally conquered Samarkand from 1494. In 1005 in 1504, he occupied Kabul, the capital of Afghanistan. After the conquest of Kabul, Babur continue his expansion in India. In India, in 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 1525, at Babur conquered Punjab with Lahore as its capital. Babur then led his army to Delhi after 2 years in 1526. At Babur Babur conquered the city of Delhi through a just battle at Panditapa and marked the establishment of the Mughal dynasty. The the next, next, okay, the glorious period. The glorious period, the heyday of the Mughal dynasty was during the time of Sultan Jalaluddin Akbar. Sultan Akbar's succession is advancing the Mughal kingdom by reconciling the Islamic and Hindu group, reducing disputes, prospering the people by eliminating all taxes, also expanding the economy in all its branches, and the file of military expansion for Sundar until Asirgarh. Next, the period of this line. The period of this line began during Aurangzeb's time. During Aurangzeb's time, there were Hindu and Sikh rebellion as his regular and intolerant policies created disconnect among both communities. After Aurangzeb's death in 1707, Mughal power began to decline due to internal division, unstable politics, and corruption. In the in the 18th century, Mughal power was further weakened, and colonial powers, particularly the British, began to assert their control in India. The peak of the decline come after the Great Revolution of 1857, which involved various strata of India social against British rule. It was violently suppression, officially ending Mughal rule and replacing it with direct British rule over India. The next, the little plus the little was creation of Bangladesh. About the Christian of Bangladesh. In the next from the next from Dynasty Mughal. The formation of Bangladesh is the result of the long of conflict written history dating back to the Mughal dynasty, which made Bengal a center of trade and culture. However, after the decline of the Mughal and British rule in the Bengal, their system of economic exploitation, such as the Great Bengal Famine of 1943, exacerbated people's disconnects. The British also deepened division between Hindu and Muslim communities, which led to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. This division of India created an inequality with its Pakistan with margina, margi- marginalism. Tension peaked, peaked at 1971 when the Pakistan military launched Operation Searchlight, the Open Bangladesh, triggering the War of Independence after 9 months of conflicts and India military intervention. Bangladesh gained independence of December on December 16 of 1000 1000 1000 1009 971. uh, Conclusion: the president of the three and the one the period of the three great empire, the autonomous Turks, the Safavids, and the Mughal, marked the uh, pinnacle of Islamic civilization with major contribution in politics, culture, and science. Although separated by territory and tradition, their dynasty intertwined with its other of formed an important dynamic in the Islamic world. And two, the Ottomans were ruled Europe, Asia, and Africa, created a stable system of government and made Istanbul a commercial and cultural center. The Safavid dynasty in Persia, the Abbasian Shia identity, influencing the regulation and political landscape of the region. Meanwhile, the Mag- uh, meanwhile, the Mughal dynasty in India introduced religion toleration and graceful architecture, creating monument structures that are still there today. And three, the success of their dynasty was is inseparable from internal and external challenges such as political division and the threats from foreign power, which effectively led to their decline. Nonetheless, the legislation left behind still influencing the culture, politics, and social identities of the country that once came under their rule. Overall, their kingdom period they demonstrate not only their political power but also their important role in the development of a rich and different Islamic civilization, as well as their relevance in the modern world and the challenge facing Muslim social today. Next up, thanks you very much. Thanks you very much. Uh, Thanks you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.